Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you something pretty revolutionary I just recently discovered. Quick disclaimer, so I'm not promising you any results. Um, I believe this is only for serious internet marketers. If you want to get rich quick, next week, next month, then this isn't for you. The purpose of the software is to simplify a process so that you can focus on other things. Um, if you're dealing with these problems like getting 4,000 watch hours, getting 1,000 subs, it's taking forever for you to get your YouTube channel to the review process. You don't want to manually watch people's videos, view for view, sub for sub, then I found the right solution for you. And that solution is Jarvey. And the resources are all below. Some methods I'm going to be talking about. You'll find another YouTube video link to it so you can watch it as well. And the link to the software is down below in the description. So a few requirements. So this is going to require some minimal effort, but it is going to require some effort to set it up in the beginning. You're going to need a YouTube account. You need a Windows PC. If you don't have a Windows, you got a Mac. You could purchase a virtual Windows PC, a VPS, and I think that costs around something like $25 a day or $25 a month. Sorry. You're gonna need some patience. So I highly suggest if you're impatient and you expect this to work next week or tomorrow, then don't waste your time. So we're gonna be. I'm gonna recommend the safe settings, just to make sure your account doesn't get banned or YouTube doesn't detect you as a bot-like behavior. And it's also going to cost you about $20 a month. There is a 5-day free trial, so you can try out the software. You don't have to put in your credit card. You could try it out right away. If you don't like it, fine. If you like it, after the 5 days, then they'll ask you to make a purchase. Alright, so I'm just going to walk you through on setting up your account. So when you get the software, you're going to click Add Profile, and you're going to see all these social media platforms here. You can click on any one, but we're going to focus on YouTube today. So you click on YouTube, and then you're going to enter your login information here, and then you're going to click Verify Account. And this status is going to go from pending to verified once they've been able to log into your account. Alright, next you're going to go to Tools, and then you're going to see that account YouTube show up. And the first set of options is going to be the follow, which is the same as subscribe. So these are a few settings, and you can just copy these settings here. These are all safe settings. Next, you're going to click follow sources. And now this is where you're going to subscribe to channels based off of keywords, or you want to subscribe to just any random channel. So what I did here for this test was any channel that was optimized with SEO, that had how-to or user guide in your description. I had Jarvey go and subscribe to those channels. And you want to be very careful with the sub for sub method, because YouTube sees who you're subscribing to, and if you're subscribing to a bunch of random people, they can tell, and that also doesn't help your videos or channel get ranked. So this is why this is perfect. You want to stay in your niche. Next, you're going to click the unfollow tab, and before I forget, so once you've finished all the settings, you could click the status button until it turns green, and that means it's starting to run. Okay. Next, unfollow. So you can follow these settings as well. These are safe settings. You want to make sure you're not too greedy and doing a lot of actions on the platform, because YouTube or any other social media platform will believe you're a bot, and they'll ban your account, or take it away. Next, for the like, I didn't use these settings because I I'm not focused on liking any other videos. I think you should though. This will help show some historical activity on your YouTube account, especially if it's fresh. Um, but yeah, you can go ahead and use those settings if you would like. Okay, and then the same thing here. You can search videos by keywords, and you can like those videos. Next is comments. So this is very interesting because I posted a link below. You can see this method working, but commenting on videos that drive high traffic, can drive subscribers to your channel. So you can follow these settings here. These are all safe settings. So first, you can comment on videos by keyword. So for example, I use the how-to keyword. So any videos with how-to, you can comment, and you put your comment here, and so you can see what I did there, and I'll show you the results soon. So on the results tab, it'll show you everything that Jarvey did. And so as you can see, it commented on these these channels here, and you can see how many comments were on the videos at the time I commented. So if you get in early on one of these big channels, and you're one of the first 100 or 1,000 to comment, it drives a lot of traffic to your channel, and it's proven to work. And you can check the video link below, another channel who he shows this method working time and time again. Okay, so next is the full browser experience. So YouTube's going to serve you ads. So what this software tries to do is try to mimic human behavior. So you're surfing the web, it, stores cookies and all that, and YouTube figures out what ads to display. So this is the purpose of this tab, full browser experience here. So you could just also follow these settings. These are safe settings. So next, what you want to do is you're going to click on, you just scroll down below, and then let's see, and then the websites to visit. So you're going to just enter a bunch of random websites, or websites on your bookmark list to visit, so YouTube knows exactly what type of ads to show you. Okay, next, and this one's very powerful too, is watch video. And you can follow these settings here. You can input these settings. These are safe settings, so I'd recommend staying here or less. And then after you're done, you click source. And then so here's where it gets interesting. So you can watch videos from channels, and you would enter it here, or you can watch videos, and I'll say you can watch playlist here. And in the settings tab, you can go back and watch the same playlist every day. So while someone's adding to their playlist, Jarvey would just be watching them, increasing their watch time. Okay, so just remember, do not abuse the system. Keep the settings on low, keep them safe, because if you get too excited or too antsy to see bigger results sooner, you're highly likely to get your account banned or blocked by Google, taken away by Google. Your account will definitely grow over time, so just be patient. I've been using this application for 10 months, and in the beginning I saw some results, but it wasn't until after about like 5 months it just skyrocketed. My weekly results, so I'll show, if you subscribe to my mail list below, the link is in the description below, I'll show you my weekly results. I'm also doing Shopify, and I'm also going to show you guys other gray hat and white hat strategies to get more views and subs. Remember to be patient. Again, please be patient. And this app, just remember, this app will not make you get rich quick. Okay, a few tips. So when you're looking for videos to comment on, I would highly suggest music videos because they drive a lot of traffic fast, very fast, and a lot of engagement. Uh, you can check the video below proving this method works. And you can use other social media platforms to promote your YouTube account. This is what I did in the beginning. I use Google Plus, I use Twitter, and I use Instagram. And I'll be releasing some other videos this week on how to set up the Instagram, Twitter, and Google Plus as well. Remember to subscribe to only channels in your niche. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Focus now only on posting videos and just optimizing them. So think of this as like a VA, someone working for you. So you know, now you can just focus on the video content and just optimizing it with SEO. You know, you can put other people's playlists in your queue to watch daily and vice versa. Take turns. This will help your watch time. And make sure you add to your playlist daily or weekly, whatever you want to do, and just watch your watch time increase. If anyone needs help and they want me to set up their whatever platform, whatever social media platform on here, you know, within your niche, with the best results while applying the safest settings, for a $20 fee, I'll do that. Just email me below. The email will be in the description. And again, if you want to see my results weekly, just subscribe to my mail list. And if you're interested in e-commerce, I'll show you my funnel, and I'll show you how I use Jarvey to generate between $200 to $800 a day organically, and some with Facebook ads, using Shopify. And finally, just remember, this is a business. So look at this as an investment, investing in an employee. Think of it as someone working for you for less than $1 a day. You can't go wrong with that. So what if it takes some time, you're not lifting a finger, you're not doing much? And the link to Jarvey is down below in the description. There's some more video resources in the description. I'll be adding more over time. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, because I'm going to be releasing other videos this week on how to get more views, white hat methods, and some YouTube hacks that I think you guys will definitely appreciate. And make sure you stick around make sure you stick and use this application for at least 6 months. That's what I recommend. But obviously you can do whatever you want. It's not going to work overnight. Just remember that. Don't waste your time if you expect it to work within the free trial. You'll see results, but probably won't make any money, just being honest here, within the free trial. And I'm always using the safest settings just to mitigate the chance of an account being blocked because they're acting like a bot. And the links are below, and make sure you take action. Make sure. Thank you guys, and make sure you share the video.